All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Johnny's Kitchen. Today we're going to make another quick and easy meal. Today we're going to make our pizza sliders. So basically, what we're going to need today is just our Hawaiian rolls, 12 or 24 pack, depending on how big your family is. We'll have our marinara sauce, our seasoning with garlic herb with salt and pepper, stick of butter, some pepperonis, and some mozzarella cheese. Okay, guys, now after we just finished slicing the Hawaiian bread in half, so we got the bottom layer here. So we're gonna take the bottom layer. We're gonna go ahead and apply our marinara sauce. So you wanna make sure you get a nice coat on it. Make sure you cover everything up. You don't want to get it too thick in some areas and too thin in others. So try to even it out as best you can. Go back over here. Get some more on this side. Make sure you try to get all the bread covered. And you can see how quick and easy this is. Here, spread that out a little bit better. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to the next phase, and that is we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. So now we're gonna add our mozzarella cheese. So we're gonna get a nice coat of cheese on the whole thing here. Yes, I know some people like lots of cheese. It's up to you how much cheese you want to put on it. I'm not. All right, guys. So now we're putting our pepperoni on. So we're just gonna grab a handful and just start dropping a little bit of pepperoni on every single piece. And if you're like a super duper pepperoni lover, you can add as much as you like. Right now, I'm just trying to add the minimum because we are going to go back and add a little more cheese on here after we get all this pepperoni in here. All right, guys, so now that we have our pepperoni there, we're going to come back and put another layer of cheese on top of the pepperoni. So not a whole lot, but just enough to coat it. And just a little bit more. All right, guys, we're going to come back and we're going to put our top on. And then we're going to go ahead and make our seasoning for the top of the bread. All right, guys, so we have our tops on. So right now what we did was we melted our half a stick of butter, and we're going to add about, you can kind of gauge it for yourself, but you want to add about 2 tablespoons of your seasoning. Like I chose to use the garlic herb, black pepper, and sea salt. You can use oregano, you can use onion powder, whatever you like. But I chose to use this. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna stir it up a little bit, get it nice and mixed. All right, guys, so now we're gonna take it and we're gonna apply to our tops. So you can see looks pretty good there. You can see the butter sauce with the flakes in it. You want to get a nice even spread on it. Not too much, just enough to give it some flavor when you bite into it. Just want to get an even coat. And during this time, we got our oven preheating to 350, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and take it to the oven. All right, so once the tops are brown and the cheese is all melted, you want to go ahead and take them out of the oven. All right, so got the cheese there. Let's go ahead and taste this bad boy and see what we got here. It's really good. Once again, guys, quick and easy pizza sliders. Quick and easy to make. Very, very good. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this quick and easy meal. See you next time, guys. On Johnny's Kitchen. John Lakeisha. What's next?